Classes. Today we are going to revise chapter simple interest and linear equation. Now this question is from simple interest. Okay, chapter simple interest. Question is find the simple interest. Okay, and amount. So we have to find the simple interest and amount. For these two we know the formula, isn't it? Simple interest is equals to PRT by 100 and amount is equals to P plus I. So here P stands for principal, R stands for rate, T stands for time. Simple interest is equals to PRT by 100. P stands for principal, R for rate and T for time. And amount is equals to P plus I. P stands for principal, I stands for interest, that is simple interest. Okay, these two formula we have to apply here to find. On rupees 9,275 for 2 years at 7 whole 1 by 2% per annum. So from the question we have to identify which one is given as principal and which one is given as time and which one is given as rate. Okay, so by this rupees this much, okay, we will understand this is a principal, and here years, it this years is given here, that means it is time, and per annum, that means per year, annum means year. Okay, and percent symbol is also given, so at 7 whole 1 by 2% per annum, so this will be the rate. Okay, so let us find simple interest and the amount. Solution. Here at first let us write the given thing. P is equals to rupees 9,275, T is equals to 2 years. Okay, sometimes it is given in month also, days also, we have to convert it into years only. Okay, if it is given in month, then we will convert into years. If it is given in days, we will convert into years. Okay, that I have taught you. So this is a revision only. R is equals to here 7 whole 1 by 2% per annum. So let us convert this mixed fraction as a improper fraction. Okay, 15 by 2. So here 7 2s are 14 and 15 by 2% per annum. So these are the given things in the question. Now we have to find simple interest, and the formula we know. Okay, we know simple interest is equals to PRT by 100. Now replace the values here. P 9,275, R 15, this by 2 will be in the denominator, into time is 2 years. Okay, so here by the formula this 100 is also there in the denominator. So by doing some calculation here, we can get the answer, that is simple interest. Okay, so here 2 and 2 cancel, by 5 3 is a 15 here, 5 2 is a 10 and 0 20. Okay, now 5 4s are here, 5 1 5 8 and 5 and 5. Okay, so when you will multiply, you will get 5,565 in the numerator, check it. Okay, and in the denominator 4. So here we have to divide this one, divide it in the row, and we'll get 1391 decimal 25. Okay, so this is the simple interest. Now amount formula will apply to get the amount. Okay, this n, so P plus I, principal and interest will add. So principal is 9,275 and interest we have just found, that is 1391 decimal 25. Add it to get rupees 10,000 666 decimal 25. Okay, so this is the amount and this is the simple interest. Okay, sometimes it is asked to find rate or time or principal. Just modify this formula and put the values and get the asked quantity. Okay, suppose simple interest is given in the question, time is given and rate is given, then it is asked to find the principal. Just modify this formula and you can get the principal also. And for rate, same, rate is asked and time, principal and simple interest is given. Just modify this formula to get the rate. Similarly for time also, rate will be given in the question, principal will be given in the question, simple interest will be given in the question, and time we have to find by modifying this formula. Okay, so do practice. So here is another question. The simple interest on certain sum for 3 years. So on certain sum that we don't know for 3 years, this is time, at 10% per annum, this is the rate. Okay, is rupees 829 decimal 50. Now find the sum. That means we have to find the amount. Okay, no, we have to find the principal. Okay, we have to find the principal here. Interest is this much. Okay, time is this much. So the certain sum means principal here. The simple interest on certain sum is this much. This is time and this is rate. So here given is time 3 years. Okay, rate 10% per annum. Okay, interest is equals to rupees 829 decimal 50 and principal we have to find. Okay, so using the formula we know P is equals to 100. This only, this formula only we are modifying. Okay, P is equals to 100 into I by R into, you can see this formula here. Okay, R into T. Okay, so this T goes to denominator this side and R goes to denominator, 100 goes to numerator. Okay, P will be alone here. Okay, so here in the same manner put the values. 100, I is 829.50 divided by R is 10 and time is 3, 10 and 3 here. Okay, now calculate it. Here this decimal part will go by multiplying this 100 with this 100, so it will be 8295 now. Okay, and here 3, so when you cancel this, multiply by 10, then it will, this decimal will shift here, so 0 is having no value, so we are not writing here. So when you will divide here, you'll get rupees 2765. This question is from linear equation. Okay, here we have to solve for x. We have to find the value of x. All right, so this side and this side, two sides are there, left hand side and right hand side. So we'll find the value of x. Okay, here how to find? First we'll keep this variable side alone. Okay, so this part will keep at one side and remaining will take this side. Okay, that is constants. So 5 by 8 x, here is 9, minus 6 will go this side and it will become plus 6. Okay, 5 by 8 x will be equal to these two together. When you add, we get 15. Okay, 9 plus 6, 15 here. We are trying to find the value of x. So here 5 into x is 5x. This 15 into 8. This 8 goes this side and it will multiply. Okay, so now x will be 15 into 8 divided by this 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are 8 threes are how much? 24. So simple this sum is. Okay, just to find the value of x, and to find the value of x we'll put the variable quantities one side and constant quantities one side. Okay, and then we'll just do plus minus. Okay, this is another question from linear equation only. Okay, here we have to solve, and it is x minus 2 by 3 plus x minus 3 by 4 is equals to x minus 1 by 2. Okay, so here these denominators you can see. Okay, so we'll find the LCM. Like in class 4 and 5 we used to do simplify, so like that only we'll simplify it. Okay, so this side let us find the LCM. 3 and 4, the LCM will be 12, isn't it? You can do in raw by factorizing these two numbers by 2 times here. Okay, by 2 one time, 3 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So that is the LCM. Okay, so these all things you know only. So 12 will divide by 3, 3 4s are, and that 4 will multiply with this x minus 2. Okay, plus this 12 is divided by 4, 4 3s are 12, and the 3 will multiply this numerator. Okay, this is the process. And this side x minus 1 by 2. Okay, now this 12 will multiply this side and this 2 will come to this side. So here 2, let us use another curly bracket also here. Okay, so inside this 4 x minus 2 plus 3 x minus 3, close the bracket. This 12 goes this side, 12 x minus 1. Okay, now inside the bracket let us do simplify. 4x plus minus minus 4 2s are 8 plus 3x plus minus minus 3 3s are 9. This side 12 into x, 12x minus 12 1s are 12. Okay, so you can simplify more here. 4x plus 3x, that is 7x minus 8 and minus 9, that is 17, isn't it? We have to add the same sign. This side 12x minus 12. Now open the bracket. 7 2s are 14, x minus 17 2s are 34. This side 12x minus 12. Okay, now here we'll keep this variable one side. 14x, this 12x will come this side and it is minus 12x. Okay, this 34 goes this side and it will become positive. It is negative here, it will become positive, minus 12. Here we get 2x and here we get 22. So therefore x will be 22 by 2, that is 11. Okay, so this way we will solve. So this is a word problem from the linear equation chapter. Thrice a number increased by 6 equals 39. Find the number. Okay, so here we have to understand thrice a number. So let us that number be x. Okay, thrice a number means 3x. Increased means plus by 6. We have to add here 3x plus 6 equals means equal to 39. Okay, so here according to question, okay, thrice a number increased by 6 equals 39. So we have to give this word or this sentence in the mathematical form. Okay, so thrice means 3. Okay, let that number be x plus 6 is equals to 39. So here 3x 39 minus 6. Okay, so here x will be equal to 33 by 3, therefore x is equals to 11. So what problems, just you have to transfer the given things into mathematical form and then you have to solve for x. So this is the another question from linear equation only. What problem? A number when divided by, so let that number be x, keep it in mind. Okay, divided by 4 is reduced, that means subtracting, by 21. Find the number. Solution: here let the number be x. Okay, so according to question, a number when divided by 4 is reduced by 21. It is given in the question. So how we'll write in mathematical form? X by 4, number when divided by 4, is means equal to, that number is reduced by 21. Now we have to solve for x. Okay, which is very simple. X by 4, this x will come this side, x, it is minus 21. Okay, and here LCM of this, here is 1 in the denominator. Okay, so it will be 4 here, x minus 4x, 4 1s are 4, 1 into x is x, 1 4 times is 4, 4 into x is 4x. Okay, so minus 21 this side. Now let me do here. Okay, so x minus 4x is minus 3x, and this minus 21 will be multiplied by 4, so x will be equal to this minus minus getting cancelled. Okay, and here 21 into 4 is, this 3 will also get cancelled. Okay, let us do here, this 3 will come here, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, so therefore x is equals to 28, therefore the number is 28. Okay, therefore the number is 28. Thank you. Now I hope you will revise. Okay.